Hey bro, I have booked a new laptop and it's a great laptop.
From which company it is and model name?
For that, when it will arrive, I'll just show you.
2 days later.
Hey bro, the laptop has just arrived.
Now tell me which company it is.
It is Avita Ryzen 5.
Wait for a minute.
Hi guys, this is Ranjit and in this video doing the review for this Avita laptop that
A few moments later.
I frankly feel I wasted that 31,000 rupees on this machine. Anyways.
What? What the hell?
Stop. So just leave that part and let's just talk about the laptop. So for a person, if he's going to buy a laptop, so the first priority would be, why is he buying a laptop? He's buying the laptop because he has to do work which can be done only on the laptop. That's the first motto. And after that, the second motto would be the money. And the money depends upon what is your capacity of buying a laptop. And after that, if you are to do simple works and not that much complex like me and other programming or editing and video and photo, that all stuff you are not going to do, then you will be having any 20 to 30,000 range laptop. And if you are to do work like me, YouTuber or video editor or any complex working, designing and that all stuff, then you have to have a complex laptop with higher variants, with high RAM, with a complex processor, with more cores. That's your need. And if you don't have the capacity of buying it, you will go for a cheaper option. So if you are to do works which are complex, you have to start your range from 40 and it starts from 40 and goes to lakhs, and you don't have the capacity of buying above that, so you have to go below it for a lower option. So for that, they will search for a laptop which is cheap, and on that they can do complex work. So for that, you have to have something. So you can't do things, complex things on i3 and Ryzen 3. You must have i5, Ryzen 5, i7, and that is the range of doing the complex work. So if you have to do that, so that's why people who can't afford expensive laptops, they will buy Avita. So there the point, the Avita wins in against the other laptops. So the other companies' laptops, they are too expensive, and this Avita provides too cheap. And there are a little bit of negative points, but then also it provides that much high variants, that much high configurations that no other company provide at this price. So that's why people will buy Avita. So you must not be regretful after watching Gigi Ranjit's video. This video is not against him. I was just making a little bit of comedy something. So that's up guys. If you like the video, please like it, and if the channel is helping you doing great work, please subscribe.